Imagine a sound you can't hear, a movement your eyes can't follow. This is the world of the trap-jaw ant. Its mandibles snap shut at over 145 miles per hour, or 230 kilometers per hour. This is one of the fastest movements in the entire animal kingdom, accelerating at 100,000 times the force of gravity. A Formula One car feels about 5 Gs. The ant's jaw experiences 20,000 times that. This isn't just a bite. It's a catastrophic release of stored energy, turning the ant's own head into a biological spring-loaded weapon. But what happens when you aim that weapon not at prey, but at something immovable, like the ground? You get something unexpected: flight. By striking the ground beneath it, the ant converts the jaw's closing force into a powerful upward thrust. This isn't a controlled jump. It's a chaotic, spinning, ballistic escape, flinging the ant up to 8 centimeters into the air and 40 centimeters away. From the perspective of a predator, like a hungry lizard, the target simply vanishes in an unpredictable direction. It's an escape mechanism born from weaponizing physics itself, a get-out-of-jail-free card powered by a bite. This single mechanism serves 2 masters: predation and defense. Against prey, like a quick-footed springtail, the jaws are a hammer. The sheer concussive force of the strike is often enough to stun or kill the prey outright, without even needing to pierce it. But when confronted by a larger threat, like an army ant scout or a prowling spider, the same system becomes a shield. The escape jump is a perfect example of evolutionary efficiency, where one powerful adaptation is repurposed for entirely different, yet equally critical survival scenarios. The ant doesn't need a separate system for fighting and fleeing. Its mouth does both. How is this speed possible? The ant's muscles aren't fast enough to power the strike directly. Instead, they work slowly, like someone cranking a medieval crossbow. Huge adductor muscles in the ant's head contract over time, loading potential energy into the very structure of its exoskeleton, which deforms slightly like a bent bow. The mandibles are held open by a tiny latch mechanism on its clypeus, the ant's upper lip. Once the energy is stored and the mandibles are locked, the system is primed. It's a process of power amplification, slow, steady muscle work converted into an explosive, instantaneous release. The release isn't a conscious decision in the way we understand it. The system is too fast for the ant's brain to be in the loop. The trigger is physical. On the inner edge of each mandible are long, sensitive trigger hairs, known as trichoid sensilla. When a prey item or a predator brushes against these hairs, it physically disengages the latch. The result is a reflex arc that is almost purely mechanical. It's a hair trigger in the most literal sense. This bypass of higher-level brain function is what allows the strike to be completed in as little as 130 microseconds, faster than a nerve impulse could travel to the brain and back. This entire system seems like overkill, until you see where these ants live: the cluttered, chaotic floor of the forest. This leaf litter world is a high-speed environment filled with tiny, lightning-fast prey and an endless array of hidden predators. A slow, deliberate hunting strategy would fail. A slow escape would be fatal. The trap jaw is an evolutionary response to a specific set of environmental pressures. It's a piece of biological machinery perfectly tooled for a life of split-second opportunities and instantaneous threats, proving that sometimes the most extreme adaptations arise from the most ordinary of places.
Monotony has grown fast. Nearly 2,700 people have watched in the last few weeks. yet less than 0.03% are subscribed. It would mean a lot if you joined by hitting subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.